G'day, Troy here from the Traveling Coffee family. Just a quick video today. We just thought we'd show you some of the little hacks that we've done around the Scout 15, the Stoney Creek Caravan. So we're a family of 4. We're traveling for the best part of a year around the country. 2 little kids, so we have a 7 and 9-year-old. So obviously there's toys, there's games, there's things that they want to bring with them. So there's plenty of storage around the Stoney, but we kind of found that it just filled up our main things, so our clothes and you know, those bits and bobs that we really need to bring with us. So what we did is we went to IKEA. They seem to have a solution for everything over there. We got heaps of these little tubs and stuff like that, so they've really served us really well around the van. So we thought we'd just show you them and hopefully inspire you and give you some ideas of what you could do with your Scout. So just here, we've just on the end wall above the lower bunk. What we've done is we've grabbed 4 of these tubs from IKEA. What's fantastic about them, and it is a little bit hard to see, I'll just take these books out here. They're a little suction cup. So they're from IKEA. I think they cost us under $10 each. The suction cup is really strong, so I tried to pull one off the other day just to move it and it would not budge, so I'm pretty confident that they're going to stay there all the time. So we've got 2 there for each child. We've got readers in the family. They obviously love their toys, so we've just got a small selection of the toys that they really want to bring with them. But what we've done is we've put 2 of these here. Daniela and I have got one on the sides of our beds as well. Keep chargers, keep any of those kind of, you know, a book or any of those bits and bobs that we want with us in bed. And we've also put some of these around the bathroom area as well, so they've been fantastic. Alright, just joining us in the bathroom here, so a couple of little things we did. IKEA towel rack, just clips over the handle, so the thickness of it was actually really good. It goes over the door and then the next part of that shelving frame and bed frame there. So we just got a little 4 rack here, just holds a couple of face washers and the kids' towels. That's been really good. It just tucks in neatly next to the toilet as well. In the main bathroom cupboard here, we've got a shelf, and we've also got one of those little tubs that we use for the kids' toys. It's also sitting up there. We just found it was such a high cupboard with no shelf in it at all. It was kind of hard to really fill that up unless you're going to stack toilet paper or something like that in there. So the shelves have worked really well. You'll see down here we've got this little over clip bucket here. So this actually came in a set. You have a look above my head here. This is going to be our inside the van bin. So we're going to have a bigger bin attached to the back wheel of the camper outside. So this will just be for inside use, you know, on the daily basis, and it'll get emptied out into that back one. So this is actually off a baby change table. So this was the main bin compartment. Again, it's a clip-on just like this, but it came as a set. So it came with this one, a second one the same size, another kind of double one, so about this wide, and then also the large bin as well. So we've used them around in multiple spaces around the van. Yeah, it worked out really well. Last one's in the side of the shower, just 2 towel racks. So we've done them on the larger side walls. And again, they're the suction cups. So if you have a look at how they're stuck on there, and again, if I pull on this, you know, try and pull it off the wall, put a fair bit of pressure on that, it's not budging. So really great. They are also extendable, so you can change the length of it. So if I wanted to put it on that side or on the inside door or wherever, you can kind of buy these and just change it for whatever wall that you want to put them on. So really cool. So thanks for joining that quick video. It's just some little hacks that we've done for our Stoney Creek Scout 15, just to make our trip more comfortable. So if you've got any questions, please just send us a message, let us know. Make sure you jump on our social media at the Traveling Coffee family. And yeah, as we start our travels, we'll be sure to share some more videos about things that we're adding and doing to our van. Thanks, have a great day.